In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block history in Microsoft Edge. First, let's begin by opening Microsoft Edge. You can find the Edge icon on your desktop or in your taskbar. If it's not there, you can search for it in your Start menu. Once you click to open it, you'll see the familiar Edge homepage with its sleek design. This is the gateway to your web browsing experience. It's essential to familiarize yourself with this environment as it sets the stage for all your online activities. When Edge is open, you're ready to dive into the next step. Next, press the keys Ctrl, Shift, and N simultaneously. This key combination is a quick and efficient way to open a special browsing mode called InPrivate. When you do this, a new window will pop up. It will be labeled InPrivate Browsing. This is crucial because browsing in this mode does not save your history or cookies. It's a private way to surf the web without leaving traces. You will notice that the interface looks similar, but now you have an additional sense of privacy. Now that you have the InPrivate window open, it's time to browse freely. You can enter any website you wish without worrying about your browsing history being recorded. As you navigate, you may notice that no history is being saved. This is important as it keeps your online activities discreet and secure. You can explore websites, search for information, or shop without leaving a trail. Remember, this is a powerful feature, especially if you share your computer with others or want to keep certain activities private. After that, if you want to ensure that you're truly using the InPrivate mode, look for the InPrivate icon. This icon usually appears in the upper corner of the window. It confirms that you are in a secure browsing session. This little visual cue helps you stay aware of your browsing status. It's reassuring to know that your activities are private while you explore the web. With that ready, I want to remind you that once you close the InPrivate window, all your data will be erased. This means your browsing history, cookies, and cache will be cleared. This is a significant advantage of using InPrivate mode. It helps keep your data safe from prying eyes. So if you are done browsing, simply close the InPrivate window by clicking the X in the upper right corner. You will see a confirmation that your session has ended. In summary, opening Microsoft Edge using the Ctrl, Shift, and N keys and browsing in the InPrivate window are vital steps to block your history effectively. Each of these actions contributes to a more private web experience. Remember, practicing this method regularly can help you maintain your online privacy effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this feature helpful in your everyday browsing.